So most of you are asking that why there is no points in the work with play series. Means a cloud that cares here, there is no mention of any points. Similarly, in other games, for example, the certification zone level games and base camp, why there is mention of points, but here in the work with play, there is no mention of points. So does it mean that we won't be getting any points by completing this patch? So we'll uncover this mystery in this video. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and to like the video. So first of all, you need to understand what does work meet play series means. Here is a rule has been updated that you need to complete this patch. Means unlike other patches where you complete and get the arcade points listed over there, here you have to complete the entire series. For example, you must be doing the arcade program started from January and will be ending in June. So you need to continue the whole series. Means January to June, you have to keep continuing and earning the same badges, then only you'll be able to get 7 points at the end. If you miss this batch, then you won't be able to get the points. Let me clarify what the program manager says. So this is regarding the work meet play. To earn 7 arcade points at the end of the season, make sure you complete all the 6 patches in the work meet play, as it is a 6-month event, so you'll be having 6 points from it. Okay, and the entire series from January till June. Missing even one batch means missing out the arcade points. So completing the full set ensures your efforts. Means if you miss, for example, you complete 5 batches. For example, you miss the March batch, April batch, then you won't be getting the 7 arcade points or even 1 arcade point for this work mid series. Okay, for other arcade games, whatever points is mentioned over here, you'll be getting. But for this work mid play series, you need to complete entire 6 batch set so that you get 7 arcade points. I hope it clears your doubt that here they have not mentioned the points, and I think they have removed the leaderboard kind of thing, because people complained that you are saying that it is a learning event and you are yet answering and adding leaderboard. Then what is kind of hypocrisy it is? So here they have updated it. Now you need to earn entire set. Okay, you need to earn the entire set of the badges, means 7 arcade games of the work we play, then you'll be getting 7 arcade points. If you miss a single batch, means if you miss the February batch or any month match, you won't be eligible for the points. So this was a quick update. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.